Hello everyone, and I'm with my honey baby over here. He said, make sure you say baby. I said, honey baby.
I'm your baby man.
You're my baby man.
And we are cooking again.
Yeah, we're cooking again, and we're making some lemon cookies, and this is so simple. And I had to share because a lot of my viewers really like a lot more of my more simpler of recipes. And this is very inexpensive, and I have to tell you, Ronnie, these are some of my favorite cookies, so you and I might be fighting over these cookies.
Oh, I know I love lemons and anything lemon, so I'll definitely be eating these.
These will be really good. So I'm just going to share with them the ingredients, and then we'll get to mixing, okay?
Sounds good, baby.
All right, so you're going to need we're doubling this recipe, so for us it's going to be 4 eggs. And it's going to be 2 boxes of perfectly moist lemon supreme cake by Duncan Hines. You can use any lemon cake mix, but this is the one that I was able to find. So I've got 2 of those, and you're going to need some vegetable oil right here. You're going to need, I'm going to use 2/3, so if you're only making 1 batch, it will be 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. So 2 eggs, 1 box of this, and 1/3 cup of vegetable oil, and you're also going to need 1/3 cup of powdered sugar when we get done mixing this dough together, and I'll show you what that's for. But I want to quickly show you, guys like my towel? It says, Alexa, put away the dishes. I wish Alexa would do that for us, but I don't think we have any chance of that.
It hasn't quite got that advanced, but you know, I wouldn't be surprised if it didn't here in the next few years.
Well, hopefully next year.
Oh, we got a Bo Bear.
Bo Bear, you can have Bo.
I think I'll be washing my hands
Bo
again.
Right here.
Look, show him Bo Bear. Yeah, Bo.
Hey, Ronnie's going to start by adding the eggs to the mixing bowl. He's dying to run this mixer again.
That's why it's not going to take. We got the eggs.
You can hand me the bowls, and
Okay.
I'll put them in the sink.
And we got the vegetable oil.
That's right.
Which will go.
Yep, we're going to put that in there.
Then we're going to, I'll give you this, honey. And then I'm going to shut this.
No,
Really?
I took the beater off. I have to put it back on.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. Okay, the beater's on.
Yeah, it wouldn't work too good without that, would it?
No.
So we're going to close this.
Yep.
And we're going to lock it, and we're going to start mixing. Here we go.
All right, you just want to break up your eggs and mix together your vegetable oil, and then we're going to pour in these here cake mixes. So very, very simple. So we're going to let this mix for a minute, and then we'll get to the cake mix. Open that up now. That's good. That's already done. Okay. Now I'm going to let you pour in the cake mix. So here's one. You got to pour that all in. There you go. That's 1 bag. Okay. Careful now. Don't get too fast, Tommy. Okay. Can't waste any of that. That's the good stuff. All right, now we're going to shut that, and we're going to turn that on low and get that going. All right, we just want that on a low so it don't go everywhere, and we're just going to let that come together and form a dough. All right, Ronnie, you just moved it up a little bit to mix it a little harder.
Turned it up on number 3 on this KitchenAid, and man, it ain't.
And that lemon smells so good, don't it?
Yeah, we want to mix it real good.
I can't wait to make these.
Can we do it again? Let this go up in there, please.
I think it's good. We need to turn it off. All right, Ronnie's getting all the dough off the beater.
Oh yeah, we don't want to
You
waste
feel
any of that. Oh yeah.
All right.
Man, I tell you what, that's gonna turn out great.
I love cooking with you.
Oh, I love cooking with you, baby. Let me see.
You're getting it good. You're getting it real good. All right, we got some powdered sugar here, and we've got our dough, and I've also got a baking sheet that I've covered with parchment paper. Now, if you've been watching me for a while, you guys know I love to use the cookie scoop. Mine is actually broken, but I'm going to use it anyways. That way that our cookies are all about the same size. So I'm going to scoop some dough out of here. I'm going to give it to Ronnie, and he can roll it in the powdered sugar, and then I will place it on this parchment papered baking sheet, and we will put this in the oven.
And we'll see how she goes.
It'll be 375. Your oven needs to be preheated at 375 degrees. And they bake for about 6 to 9 minutes. And they'll get just a little tiny golden brown around the edges. All right, Ronnie is rolling these into balls. I'll take that one, and I'll give you another one.
Yeah, good. Man, that's got a good lot on that. Knock my hand out.
All right.
Oh yeah, baby, them are gonna be good.
Some more. Roll it into a ball, and then roll it.
And I tell you what, this comes together real good.
It's nice and smooth. Yeah, it's good.
And then we're gonna take
and put it right here in the powdered sugar.
We're just gonna roll it around real good.
Oop.
Lost a little.
That's okay. I'll put it back in there for you.
And then I'll give this to you.
All right. And that will go on here. And I think we might be able to get one more on here. Hold on. I think I got a little too much dough, but here, take this part. I'll take this top off here. No, let me have that. It's too much.
Let me see it.
No, use that. They have to be all the same size, or they don't bake up even. You got to have evenness. Okay, you're gonna roll that one in. Oh, right here. And then I'm gonna put this in the oven, and we're gonna bake these up. Then I'm gonna get the cookie station on the kitchen table ready, so when they come out, we have a place to put them.
Is that all?
That's all for right now. All right. The second pan is going in the oven. The first pan took about 9 minutes. So 8.5, 9 minutes is what mine, but mine are pretty big. I made mine pretty big because my scooper actually wouldn't work, so I had to use a teaspoon measurer or a tablespoon measurer. So that's what, I think they came out just a little tiny bigger than they usually are, but just watch the bottoms. That's what gets really nice and brown, and I just kind of took a spatula and went up under and just checked it, and it was nice and golden, so I knew it was done. Here are the first ones. I think they bake up really, really pretty, and they taste delicious too. I did some cooking with Ronnie, you were like, why isn't he trying the food? So I'm making sure that I brought him a plate of cookies to try in front of you guys. So can you reach your hand out there?
Oh, I can. Let's see how these are.
Got one?
Oh yeah, that smells good. I'm gonna give her a shot. Oh yeah.
What do you think?
Them are delicious.
You like those?
They turned out real good, didn't they?
It'd be real good with a cup of coffee, wouldn't it? Well, we do hope that you all enjoyed baking these cookies up with me and Ronnie. Ronnie and I are going to enjoy these and watch a Christmas movie. But Merry Christmas, and we will be seeing you all again soon.
Have a very Merry Christmas, and baby, I enjoy cooking again with you, honey.
I love cooking with you. All right, guys. Catch you later. Bye.